Hello viewers, today's discussion is about an advisory which is there on GST portal. The topic for today is e-way bill for the supply of services. Yes, you have read it correctly. Now for supply of services, in certain cases, e-way bill shall be required. So I have divided this topic into three parts. First, we'll understand e-way bill for the movement of goods. Second, works contract. And part three, what is this advisory which is saying, which is available on GST? Correct? So part one, e-way bill for supply of goods. Say I'm a supplier. Now these are multiple recipients, buyers. Say I'm supplying what? Goods to them. Goods. I'm supplying. See this. Now you all are aware, as per rule 138 of the CGST rules, whenever there is a movement of goods, what is required? You need one document known as e-way bill. Okay, so please listen carefully. E-way bill rule 138 says it is required only for the movement of goods. That means for services, there is no requirement of e-way bill. This is part one. Now part two, let us understand works contract. What do you mean by works contract? Works contract means a combination of goods like material, cement, sand, etc. and services, labor, architect, etc. And what is the output coming? Sir, immovable property, building, shopping mall, factory, go down, anything. This is known as works contract. It includes goods as well as services. But whether works contract is classified as goods or services, you are aware as per schedule 2, if I construct an immovable property, if there is a supply of works contract, it is classified under GST in service. This is given in schedule that works contract is supply of service. And just now we learned e-way bill is not required for service. That means for works contract, there is no need of any e-way bill. This is just a plain read. Correct. Now, many taxpayers, registered person, they had doubt. They were angry. They were frustrated. They are saying that works contract include material, cement, sand, stones, etc. This all are materials. So say I'm constructing works contract for this person. Okay, I will supply material, sand, etc. Okay, so this works contract, it includes movement of goods. Whether am I required to prepare an e-way bill? Correct? This is the question. So there is a movement of good, but what is the principal supply? Supply of services. So there was no clarity. Few suppliers were making, few were not making. They're always ambiguous. Now, finally, the advisory is given on GST portal. What does advisory say? Advisory says, yes, e-way bill is required for the movement of goods where the principal supply is supply of services. So if I am supplying services, but it includes certain goods, for those goods, for those movement of goods, I am required to prepare an e-way bill. Okay, it could be basis of delivery challan. You can make a delivery challan and prepare an e-way bill. And whatever goods you are supplying, you can use the HSN of that goods. Okay, so this is the advisory given on GST portal. Just like works contract is just an example. There are other examples like say mandap shamyana, catering. This is also a supply of service as per GST. But for this services, it includes certain goods also. So if the consignment value exceeds 50,000, sir, you will be required to prepare an e-way bill for above services also. Okay, so this update is very, very important. See, whenever you open the GST portal, you can see an advisory. Advisory for taxpayer regarding generation of e-way bill. It clearly says, even if principal supplies supply of service, but certain movement of good is involved, e-way bill shall be required. And it has given example, printing, works contract, catering, pandal, shamyana, they are all services, but it includes goods. So use HSN of that goods and you can prepare an e-way bill. So hopefully you have loved this update and I will keep sharing such updates. Stay tuned for more such updates. Thank you so much each and everyone. Goodbye. Take care.